Skechers is a shoe brand that over the recent past has gained popularity, demand, and fame, as it has made a reputation in making super comfortable, affordable but yet high-performing shoes. And this carries over to their lineup. If you are on the hunt for the best Skechers Kids Energy Lights for your young ones or as a gift to a beloved one, then you have come to the right place. Product description. Products instructions. For using. 1. Please plug the cable to charging dock slowly. 2. Usually, the light will turn off automatically after the charging is completed. 3. The shoes take 1.5 hours to complete the charge. When using the phone USB charger, do not charge for more than 2.5 hours even the light does not turn off automatically. 4. It is not recommended to wear these shoes to do active exercises, which may make damage to the light-up system. 5. Do not wear LED shoes on wet road or a rainy day, it may make damage to the light-up system. 6. Do not let kids all the comfort, protection and versatile style needed by healthcare professionals come in the Skechers Work Relaxed Fit, Comfort Flex Pro HCSR shoe. Stain and water resistant smooth fabric and synthetic upper in a lace-up sporty casual work slip resistant sneaker with air-cooled memory foam insole and cushioned flexible midsole. Safety features. Skechers slip resistant traction outsole. Traction sole is also oil resistant. Water and stain resistant upper treated with Scotch Guard protectant. Electrical hazard, A, safe design. A safe tested ASTM F289211 for safety. Shoe construction. Water and stain resistant smooth fabric upper. Translucent synthetic overlays at toe and heel. Smooth synthetic overlay at laces for added durability. Lace-up sporty casual slip-resistant work sneaker design. Comfort design ideal for healthcare professionals. Stitching accents. Textured waterproof mesh fabric. Are Skechers shoes good quality? The quality is exceptionally good. It is genuine leather on the outside and has fabric contouring on the inside to fit perfectly. If you are just a brand fanatic and don't care about quality, longevity, just buy it from any Skechers outlet. Are Skechers memory foam good for running? A good insole is a must, especially in a running shoe where your feet are absorbing impact. Skechers have one of the most comfortable and supportive insoles in their Skechers running shoes, made with memory foam. These mold to your feet and provide a perfect amount of pressure relief. Are Skechers shoes durable? Skechers shoes are not only durable but very comfortable to wear and walk in even for daily use. Look, Skechers shoes are specially made for marathon and for professional runners. So they are lightweight and more comfortable than any other brand and are durable up to 1,000 to 1,300 kilometers. Are Skechers a good walking shoe? Skechers are great for arthritis. The great thing about the Go Walk range, and other shoes by Skechers, is that they provide a reliable alternative to clunky and frumpy orthopedic-style shoes. Are Skechers Go Walk shoes waterproof? This isn't to say these shoes are waterproof, because they are a far cry from it, but they are a lot more water-resistant. The Go Walk 3s used to soak up water and get soggy, whereas the Go Walk 4s have been able to stay relatively dry in all situations so far. Skechers for Work Women's Sure Track. With a small heel of just over 1 inch, your feet stay in a neutral position, making the Skechers Work Sure our editor's choice as the best shoes for standing all day. The footbed is removable, but made of soft memory foam, allowing your foot to be cradled within the shoe.